Hello everybody! In today's video we are going to dismount the backrest of the non-adjustable rear seat. It's an Audi A6 C5. I have a sedan car, and as you can see, here the luggage compartment from the cabin is separated by a metal divider. We start by removing the headrest, pulling them out of the rails. Next, remove the decorative rail covers. Note that some of the covers have a spring mechanism to adjust the height of the headrest. After that, we move on to the most difficult part, namely the extraction of the rails, which are used to attach the backrest to the body. There are vertical rails near the left and right headrests, and there are horizontal rails near the center headrest. It's difficult to pull out the vertical rails, as for this you need a special tool, but we will try to do it with a standard screwdriver. In one place of the backrest holder there will be a slot. It is in this place stick a screwdriver and press on the latch, because that is what prevents you from extracting the rail. You have to press down hard on the latch and simultaneously pull the rail up. If you do it properly, you will feel it come out a little bit. Then, with a little effort, you can finally get it out. Next, move on the center headrest rails. Remove the lugs so as not to lose the springs. Then from the luggage compartment, push the latches inward and then take them out of the cabin. After doing all this, you need to lift the front of the seat cushion and pull it forward, and then pull it out of the lugs. All my original lugs were broken, so I ordered their analogies. They are inexpensive. Now we have access to the two bottom bolts of the backrest, which we unscrew with a Torx T30. After everything was unscrewed, the last step is to remove the backrest, which is held on the body by 4 hooks. Shocking the back with small jerks, push it up. The backrest was removed. In fact, nothing difficult. The main thing is to understand how to get the vertical rails. That's all for now. See you in the next videos.